U.S. stocks, they continue to seesaw, starting off lower, trading flat this afternoon and now rising into the closing hours. This as tensions between the U.S. and key trade partners continue to rise as the G7 summit kicks off in Quebec, Canada. It's Friday and President Donald Trump scheduled to appear at the meeting along with other world leaders, including those who run nations that Trump has slapped tariffs on. One aspect that's put investors on edge is a fresh tweet by President Donald Trump, who accused France and Canada of levying massive tariffs and establishing non-monetary barriers. This comes after French President Emmanuel Macron told reporters that while the United States president may not mind being isolated, the other leaders could sign a 6-country agreement if need be. And already the G7 off to an interesting start as President Donald Trump's scheduled morning meeting with French President Macron at the G7 in Canada has been postponed, with the White House hoping to reschedule it later on in the day. President Trump running behind schedule after emerging from the White House later than planned and stopping to speak with reporters for far longer than he normally does. Taking a look now at the Forex market this Friday afternoon, the euro-dollar's worry begin, and that's in a period of a rebound. The British pound-US dollar pair sees the downside prevail, while the dollar-Japanese yen pair, that's under pressure and in focus this afternoon. The pair posting a rebound but standing below its strong horizontal resistance at 109.60 and remaining capped by its declining moving averages. Short positions below 109.60 are favored with targets at 109.15 and 108.90 an extension. Onto the Bitcoin dollar, that sees the downside prevail as long as 77.16 is the resistance. The pivot point standing at 77.16 for Trading Central. While in precious metals, gold intraday sees a bullish bias above 12.93, and that's in focus. Gold remains on the upside above its moving averages, and long positions above 12.93 are favored with targets at 13.0325 and 13.0675 in extension. And lastly, silver intraday, that sees further advance. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates and for Trading Central Web TV. From the New York Stock Exchange on a Friday afternoon, wishing you a great weekend, I'm James Swinton.